to Australian Nationals 2022.
Hey guys, I'm here with Team Man right now. Oh my gosh, this is insane.
It's a real privilege for me to be part of Speedcubing Repeats channel.
Hey guys, I'm at Australian Nationals 2022 right now. If you want to know why I'm wearing a banana suit, click on the video up here. It's amazing. Let's do this. Just finished 3x3, best with PR average, really good. Got 16, really great. We're gonna do 7x7 now. I got one attempt to get like sub 5. I doubt I'll do it, but may as well try. Guys, I just finished 7x7. I got a PB. Sadly, it wasn't fast enough to make cutoff. Cutoff was 5 minutes, and I was moderately close. Alright, I think we got Pyraminx next. Okay, so some pretty crazy news. I just finished. They just put all the results through for 3x3. Top 100 go to round 2. I came 101 place. Wait, yeah, that works. And I was so close, one off from getting round 2. A bit disappointing, but we got Pyraminx now. Right, let's do this. Crap. This is my main. I put my warm up in the box. My crappy cheesy Megaminx, not me, Pyraminx. Just finished Pyraminx. Sadly, didn't get round 2. We're on to 2x2 now. Food. Finished up 2x2. I don't know if I got round 2 yet, but we're gonna have 4x4 now. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get cut off for 4x4, but in 2x2 I got 2 really good solve, and I plus 2'd it, which really sucks. But yeah, let's do 4x4 now. Sadly, one of my solves was 5 seconds off cutoff. Cutoff was 110. I got like a 115. But we got 6x6 now. I'm not too confident that I'm going to get cutoff or anything. Just finished off 6x6 as I thought. Didn't get cut off. We got OH next. I'm gonna practice it. I'm not too confident. It takes me like a minute, and the cuff's like 45 seconds. Last round of the day, if I get lucky,
Let's do this.
Yeah, make it. Hey guys, we are back at day 2 of Australian Nationals, and we got Squan up first. I doubt I'll be able to get a full average or anything. I'll probably will DNF myself. Yeah, we also got Clock and Skewb today, which I'm really excited about. Just finished Squan, and as I thought, DNF both souls. However, the second scramble is so good. We've got Clock next. Practice Clock. So I might be able to get round 2 for that. Everyone here is like sub 10 at Clock, downloading sub 20. So practice. Guys, something really cool is happening. Look up there. We're on the big screen. Yeah, right there. That's us. That's us. That is so cool. Just finished Clock. As you guys saw, I didn't make cutoff. I was quite nervous because I've never done Clock before in comp, and also the reason why I was showing you that big screen thing is because from here, if you look up, you can see there's like those big projected like things of the stage up there, and so I was up there and I could see myself from behind, so that was really cool. Right, next up we have got Megaminx. The cutoff is like 2 minutes or something. I average like 3 minutes. I'll try and practice, but I have high hope. Just finished Megaminx. I didn't do too amazingly, but I wasn't expecting to, so not too disappointed. But now we have got Skewb. What I've got, I just got the X-Man Wingy 2 because I may have lost my GAN. But yeah, I haven't been able to make round 2 for anything, so if I've got a chance at making really well at anything else, it's got to be Skewb. If I have a chance of getting round 2 for anything, it's got to be Skewb. So let's hope I do well.
Skewb.
I can't do
Skewb.
That was the same scramble.
Was it?
Yeah.
He says he thinks he got the same scramble. Was it as the fourth one?
Yeah. Same.
Yeah, it says he got the fourth one twice.
And you solved it.
Yeah.
Give a video of it.
Yes. Okay guys, just finished Skewb. Didn't make round 2, but still fun. Didn't do too well, just in general. But I'm not competing at all for the rest of the day. We just got some of the finals, semi-finals, where like all the super fast people like Felix are going to be competing. Hey guys, I'm here with Tim Man right now. Oh my gosh, this is insane.
It's a real privilege for me to be part of Speedcubing Pete's channel.
Tim Man's absolutely amazing. If it weren't for him, I wouldn't have this channel. Just absolute legendary guy. Sub to his channel if you haven't already. Have a fantastic day.
day.
And be sure
to
to smile, cube,
repeat.
See ya.